Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. Today I wanted to make a quick video on the two different gold coins that the U.S. Mint offers. There's the Gold Eagle here on the right and the Gold Buffalo on the left. And as you can see, the color of them does look a little bit different from each other. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the differences between these two coins. As you can see, both of these will say on them that it has a full ounce of gold. This is 1 ounce, 0.9999 fine gold. This one on the back side says that it's also a full ounce, 1 ounce fine gold. Then it just has its face value of $50 after that. So I wanted to talk about the difference of the two, why they would make two gold coins, both with the 1 ounce option. So the main difference between these two coins is that it dates back to the 1500s, back when the British sovereign gold coins were minted. What happened with them is they were 23 karat, so they were almost pure gold. That's about 95.83% pure gold. And the problem they were having back then is that gold is so soft that during circulation the coins would wear down. So what they did in order to change that, King Henry VIII of England decided that the coins would then be minted of 22 karat gold, which is 91.67% pure gold, and they did that by adding in basically some copper. And what that did is firmed the coin up so that it could be a little more sturdy, and it wouldn't wear down as fast as the pure gold coins. So they went down to a 22 karat. So on this one, the Gold Eagle, it's basically, it comes in at 22 karat itself. And it's kind of for the same reason. Although these coins aren't really circulated per se, the design of this coin was to be one that would have circulation as basically one of its main deals. Whereas the gold coin over here, the Buffalo, they decided that this one was going to compete with some of the other coins on the market, like the Canadian maple, the gold maple leaf, because other countries were still producing currently pure gold, basically 24 karat, and so that's kind of what the U.S. was going for here, the U.S. Mint. They wanted to create two coins, one with circulation type emphasis, and the other to compete with the other coins that are actually 24 karat. So the Gold Eagles are 22 karat, the Gold Buffaloes are 24 karat. However, they both contain a full troy ounce of gold. So that means that the Gold Eagle will have 1 troy ounce of gold plus a little bit extra copper in it. So you are still getting your full troy ounce of gold, but you also have another metal mixed in there. So you're getting more than a full ounce worth of coin in order to get a full ounce of gold. So as you can see, though, the color of them is a little bit different, and I'm not sure if that has to do with the copper that's in it or just how they make it. But anyway, that's basically the main difference here. I'll show you. This is actually the front side of the Gold Buffalo. Very beautiful coin. It's has a lot of dimension in it. A lot of nice lines. And here's the Gold Eagle on the back. But as you can see, it is a full ounce. Both of them are a full ounce. The only main difference I saw as well, I'm being very careful with these because the pure 24 karat gold Buffalo is a very soft metal, so you have to be very careful with it as you handle it. But they're pretty close. They almost feel identical as far as the overall diameter. But if you look at from the side, it appears that the Buffalo is a little bit thicker, or at least it flares up to be thicker. Maybe it just has a thicker rim stamp on it. But that's the only real way that you can tell them if you're holding them side by side. So maybe if you go into a coin shop and you're looking to buy these, you could maybe hold them next to each other, and maybe that would be one good way to tell if you're looking at authentic coins or not. So anyway, just wanted to share the difference between the coins. I think they both have great value. They're both recognized by the U.S. Mint, so people know what they are, which is very important. And I'd say the reason why I decided to go with each of them instead of just buying one over the other is that, in my opinion, and this is strictly my opinion, I would say that the gold buffalo, being that it's pure gold, it would be easier to melt down if that's the case, if somebody was looking at it for its actual value, its spot value. It'd be easier to just basically melt the coin down and not have to do much work, whereas this one has a little bit of copper in it that would have to be traded out. But when you're buying these coins instead of bricks or bars or the straight gold, these ones will be intended more for trading and purchasing things with, almost like a monetary system. So I don't think it would ever get to that point where you're going in to melt these down, because they cost more to produce, therefore they demand a little bit more money as you go to trade them in. So that's kind of the thing with these coins, and that might be a reason why you may lean more towards the gold eagle, because obviously these coins aren't not intended to be melted down, but traded, and they carry a value for that, because for that purpose. And anyway, so just wanted to make this quick video about the two of them, let you see them side by side and what they actually look like. They do have some heft to them. You can really feel that full ounce as you hold these. But both beautiful coins. I think they're both great options if you're looking to buy them. And anyway, that was my experience with them, so I just wanted to share this video. Put in the comments if you have any questions about them, or if you have any comments, or if you think one is more valuable than the other, or better to have one over the other. Thanks for watching, guys.